Have you been flipping through the channels, only get caught up watching one of those home renovation shows? Well, let me point out the 5 myths versus reality of those shows. So I'm Kevin Cooper with Bean Group, your local real estate expert, and I'm here to point out the 5 myths versus reality of those infamous home makeover reality shows. Myth 1. You only look at 3 homes and then buy a home at the end. Well, let me tell you, the reality is some people do find their home during the first 3 home showings. The National Association of Realtors put out stats saying the typical home buyer looks at 10 homes prior to buying their home. Myth 2. The homes that the buyers are looking for are still on the market. Well, the reality is the majority of those homes are already under contract or have already sold. Myth number 3. The buyers haven't made a decision to buy a home yet. The reality is there's no way to fit an entire home shopping experience into a 30-minute reality show. So the buyers that are looking have already made their mind up to buy, and some of them have already bought a home. Myth number 4. You'll always get a buyer at an open house. Wouldn't that be great if we list your home for sale, have an open house, and poof, it's gone? The reality is, sure, homes do sell when people come look at them at open houses. But the majority of the homes are bought by buyers that are already out looking at homes and looked at several and fell in love with your home. Myth 5. Homeowners decide to sell their home after 5 minutes. No. The reality is that sellers on those shows have already made the decision a long time ago that they are ready to sell and ready to move on. The bottom line is this: reality TV isn't always real. Those homes are staged. You ever watch one of those shows when they go in and the house looks like a typical house? It's a disaster. Kids' clothes everywhere? No, you see them all staged. And the majority of the time, those homes are not even on the market. Reality TV is not always real. So the best way for you to find your dream home, or you to sell your home to move on to your next phase, is to pair up with a local professional realtor to let us guide and assist you through that process. I hope you got some good information from this video. If you have, leave a comment down below. And make sure to subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to be notified of future videos. I'm Kevin Cooper with Bean Group. Have a great day.